guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat step by step in a very easy and simple way. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the circular camera button at the bottom middle to take a snap. After taking the snap, look at the top right corner. Here, tap on the T icon, which is the text option. Now type the text you want to add on your snap. Once the text is written, keep your finger on the text to adjust it. To make the text bigger, use 2 fingers and pinch out on the text. You'll see the text getting larger smoothly. After resizing, you can move the text anywhere on the screen by dragging it. Place it wherever it looks best on your snap. And that's it. This is how you can make text bigger on Snapchat easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more Snapchat tips and tricks.